In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay someone or send money to someone using Venmo. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Venmo app and press the V button there in the center of the screen. The very top, you're going to see a place where you can search for people that you've sent money or added before. If you need to, you can just get their username and type it in here. Or you can tap the QR code icon in the upper right-hand corner. Just make sure that Venmo has access to use your camera. And when you do so, if you're standing next to the person, they can just show you their Venmo QR code and it will automatically add them for you to send them money. Once you've found and added the person that you want to send money to, go ahead and tap on their name and go to Pay or Request. And you can add them as a friend here if you know you're going to be paying them more in the future. Then you want to tap the box that says, what is this for? And then go ahead and type whatever or add an emoji here. And then you want to select in the money option there under the person's name to type in how much or the amount that you're going to send that person. You can also send as a gift or schedule it by these two buttons here. Next, tap Pay, and then you should see a couple of options here. The first says Public. If you tap this, you can make it private or just to your friends as far as seeing it in their feed. Then you'll also have the option to choose where you want to pay from. So you'll either have money in your Venmo balance, as I have here, or you can choose an added bank or card on this option here. You'll press Pay, and if you've never sent them money before, Venmo may ask you to confirm the last four of their phone number, and you are good to go.